Draw 3 different equilateral triangles. A side length of ABC has 3 centimeters long. The side length of A prime, B prime, C prime is 5 centimeters. And the length of A double prime, B double prime, C double prime is 7 centimeters. Label all sides and angle measurements and then answer the question, why are your triangles not identical? Now to create the triangle, we want all 3 sides to be the same length. So we're going to use our compass to swing an arc that is 3 centimeters from the end point. And then we're going to switch sides, and we're going to put our pencil on the other side and our pointy part on the opposite side and do the same thing. You may notice that your arcs intersect. That is the point that is going to be the top of our triangles. So connect your line to that point using a straight edge, please, and label it. We also have to figure out what the angles are. Because it's an equilateral triangle, we're going to split the angles into 3 equal parts. So each angle, when you get 180 divided by 3, is 60. And then you'll label that in your triangle. Then we're going to do the same thing for the 5 centimeter long triangle. Put your point and your pencil on the line segment and then swing 2 arcs. Draw your lines connecting the end points to the point where the arcs intersect. Label your side lengths. And your angles. We also need to label the corners of our triangles using the letters that was given in the problem. So A prime, B prime, C prime, A double prime, B double prime, C double prime. And then we have to answer the question. It says, why are the triangles not identical? These are not identical because the side lengths are not the same size. We have smaller and bigger versions of the triangle, but they are not identical because the sides are not the same.